Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off wireless debugging. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. Go down. Let me find wireless debugging. See. So right now this is disabled. Let me enable. Then select allow. Okay, done. When we enable this wireless debugging, we get this IP address and port. Using this IP address and port, we can connect to this device and debug. So we can install ADB debugging tool in mobile phone or laptop, then just connect to this IP address and port, so that way we can connect to this device and debug. Okay, so this way we can enable wireless debugging. If you want to disable, you can disable here. Okay, done. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.